Yo, what's up guys, welcome back. So this video is actually for those who has my high and low at hand and they had issues with calculating the frequency. You understand? So now this is what we're going to do. So you go to your high and low, then go to your all-time frequency. All right, so next thing is the variation is very important. You need to know when the system is rolling clockwise and when it is rolling anti-clockwise. It is very important. So now this is how to calculate it. For those who has a lesson, if you don't have lesson, you have issues with it. So now in my lessons I've already explained how you can read these statistics, how you can read this frequency. So we don't need to talk about this here. So now, okay, now you refresh again, you go to your high and low, go to your high all frequency, you read, make sure you always go to refresh the all time. All right, so now with this I'm sure you understand what it's trying to say. Okay, if you don't understand, please check the lesson I sent to you. So now you go again and you count. So let's count with me guys. 1 2 3 4 5. All right, okay, this one is giving us low. All right, you go back to your frequency again. Okay, high and low frequency, go to your all time, then count them, refresh, make sure you always do this. Okay, because one or two things might tends to change. All right, so now let's count with me guys. 1 2 3 4 5. In the frequency it stop at 6, so we're gonna be having low because the time is out. I can't take it in, so we're gonna be having low. So let's see, maybe we're gonna have our low. All right guys, let's see. Okay, can you see guys, we have our low. All right, that's a win. So now let's go again. You go to your high and low again, you go to your all-time frequency. Please always check, it is very important. So you read the frequency. All right, so you go back again, then you count. So count with me guys. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, all right, so let's go again. Let's check the all-time frequency. All right, sorry, all-time frequency. All right, this one stop at 5, so it's obvious that we're going to be having I, if I'm not mistaken. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I, let's see, maybe we're going to be having high here. Let's watch guys. I'm not being fast. I should have quickly played it, but I'm not fast. So can you see we have our I? So that means if you place on these two, you can see we have our winning here. We predict low and we predict high. That's very amazing guys. So let's see the one we can play. So let's go to our all-time frequency again. All right, it has changed. All right, this is stopping at 4, so let's count. 1 2 3 4. So this is I, so we're going to be predicting I as our next game. So let's quickly go and stake. If you are dealing on this, you need to be very fast so you won't miss out signal guys. So you won't miss out signal. All right, so watch guys, we're going to be having I next as our next result. So just watch guys, please don't do this if you don't have this strategy. It's very risky, I know what I'm saying. So let's see, we're going to be having our I. Wow, boom, this is a winning guys. Can you see what I'm saying? This is a winning guys. So interesting and very simple if you know how to calculate all these things, most especially how to read the frequency and how to differentiate the variations is very important guys. So that's our winning guys. So can you see how I turned 12,000 here to 24,000 less than a minute? Some minutes. You can see I predicted this 3 low, high and high. So guys, stay tuned guys, see you guys on my next video and stay blessed. God bless you. Bye.